Hey guys, it's Nikki. So today, because Pierre made me eat bugs last week, like literal dead bugs.
Just condition your brain. Just like mom gave you when you were young. It's fresh.
They gave me like diarrhea. I'm going to get back at him today and write something nasty on the car and make people honk so he kind of freaks out. He doesn't understand what's going on. Honk if you're... Hola. I think it's good. Honk if you're horny. Okay, let's get Pierre. Oh, I gotta get rid of this. There we go, perfect. Pierre, are you ready?
Yes, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
So we're going for lunch, right?
Yes.
Where do you want to go?
Wherever you want.
Can I drive?
You want to drive?
Yes.
Okay, of course,
I
yeah.
feel like I'm getting better.
You are, you're doing really good.
Yeah.
Look, I just got the car clean.
Oh my
Looks good,
god,
no?
it looks so good. It looks so clean.
All right, shall we?
So why are we recording?
I just wanted to do like a vlog for TikTok and stuff. You know?
Oh really?
We don't do much of those, so I really wanted
It's
to try
true.
and do that. You just never know what happens, you know?
Okay, that's awesome. Hi guys.
We're gonna go get lunch.
We're taking you with us for lunch. Is this guy taking pictures of us?
I don't know. Maybe it's the apocalypse. Pierre,
Huh?
what are you doing?
I don't know. There were still cars going.
Why did he beep at you?
I don't know. Maybe I was taking too long to turn.
Oh. Pierre, what is going on? Why are they beeping at you?
I don't know. 40, 45 and a 40. That's okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Why are they honking? Oh. What is going on?
Pierre, what was that?
What did I do?
Oh my god, they give me a heart attack.
What if the trunk is open and everything was falling out this whole time? What is going on, Nicholas? I'm freaking out. Should we stop and go
don't
see?
stop. What if it's like, I don't know, what if they're gonna kill us or something?
It looks like they're taking a picture of the car.
Maybe it's a fan, I don't know.
What is this?
But baby, you're going into a...
Where am I going?
Follow the navigation.
Oh, I feel like I suck at driving.
No, baby, it has nothing to do with your driving.
Man, yeah, look, I just missed the thing now.
It's okay, you're stressed out.
I feel like everybody's happening.
Oh my god, Pierre. Oh my god, close your window.
Hi.
Close your window, Pierre. Oh my god.
What is that? Nicholas.
Oh my god.
Was that fans?
Oh my god. There's some big fans.
Come on, Nick. We're not that famous. What was that? Oh my god, Nicholas. What is going on? No, baby.
What's going on?
Why are you laughing? What is going on? I'm not doing anything.
What is he doing?
Oh my god. Oh my god. No, baby, there's something wrong. What? Baby, there's something wrong. I promise you, there's something wrong. I don't know. You admit I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm not crazy.
I'm just as like flabbergasted.
That was the worst drive ever. Clearly. Baby, what's wrong with people?
I don't know, my love. I don't know.
What was that? Oh my god! Okay, I'm in a parking lot. What do you want me to do? No, but literally. Okay.
Careful.
I'm gonna park right here.
Yeah.
Let's go check if something.
Are you sure you want to check?
Yes.
Okay.
It was open this whole time.
Are you sure?
Oh my god, Nicholas!
I'm sorry,
Oh, no,
baby, but it's payback
so
for the bugs.
embarrassing. It's so embarrassing. Oh non, mais c'est pas possible.
I'm sorry, but you literally gave me such bad diarrhea for a week from those bugs.
Oh my god, all these people was just honking for that. Oh my god, I really thought there was something wrong with me.
No, baby, there's nothing wrong with you.
I love you, but it's just so embarrassing.
Oh no, but don't, it's a joke. Baby, it's a joke. What are you doing? Where you want to... What are you...